while, I sure have done a lot of learning. So I think it's all culminated. Juicebox certainly has helped me put that together.
So how's it going?
Really good. Really good.
Awesome.
I got some business written. I've got some, actually, I'm finishing up an annuity. Actually, I'm finishing 2 annuities today.
Nice.
100,000 and a 25,000. And
Hey, that's awesome.
he just sent me his suitability, and I noticed he's got an IRA I didn't know about and 2 brokerage accounts. So
Is this somebody that you were already talking to? Like somebody that we've talked to before? Or talked about?
no, nope.
Okay.
Somebody new. What I love about this is that we wrote $12,000 IUL.
Nice.
Max funded it for him, and he's getting married and he wants an IUL for his fiance. We're looking at a term policy for her with John Hancock Vitality because she runs marathons. So
Okay.
she can get some of those benefits from that and get into a term that can be converted later if she wants to. She doesn't make quite as much money as he does, so I think there's a little bit of time there.
How did you come about? Were those people that you know or just people that referral?
This is a referral, so I did split this with another agent, and
Okay.
of course our premium on this max funded isn't great, but that second year should be a nice little commission. So he did, he's doing $1,000 a month for an IUL. He's young, he's 29, loves the idea. He does tech startups. So
Okay.
this was a connection with another connection, and they're actually trying to get these tech startups to add us as retirement specialists for these new startups and for the investors. So awesome. I just started working with some teachers. I have a couple that I'm going to meet with, but I haven't done that yet. I'm not finished with all that training. I am writing my sister's policy today. I'm doing the nationwide for her. I've been doing this for a while. I sure have done a lot of learning. So I think it's all culminated. Juicebox certainly has helped me put that together in a very simple way of explaining it to people, which is my favorite part of this is, I can talk big numbers. Like when I went to school for respiratory therapy, I swear sometimes they just paid us a lot of money to learn some big words. So you have a problem, you have a gap in your retirement, we're going to help you fill the gap. So I like that part, and I like the presentation and how we can go through that fact finder and show people. So yeah, I gain more confidence all the time. Now I want to call everybody I know, because the best time to sell an annuity or an IUL is after you've sold an annuity or an IUL. So
That's right. We call that the offer shift. When you see what it can do, it gives you that excitement and that motivation to want to go share it with everybody.
Absolutely.
That's
Absolutely.
amazing.